Hey everyone, I'm finally back. A few weeks ago I made instructions for my Panzer III. If you want to build this model as well, you can purchase the instructions at rebrickable.com, or you can write me an Instagram message and I'll send you the PDF via email. That's enough advertisement, let's take a closer look at the new build. One last thing, you can find all the needed links in the description down below. That's it for today's video, thanks for watching and see you next time.